Hello and welcome to today's video on the 12 Universal Laws. These laws are the principles that govern our universe, and understanding them can help us to create a more fulfilling and successful life. In this video, we'll be exploring each of the 12 universal laws and how they impact our lives. Law of Divine Oneness. The Law of Divine Oneness states that everything in the universe is connected and that we are all one. This means that we are all connected to each other, to the planet, and to the universe as a whole. By understanding this law, we can realize that our actions have an impact on the world around us. Law of Vibration. The Law of Vibration states that everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency. This includes our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By raising our vibration through positive thoughts and actions, we can attract more positivity into our lives. Law of Correspondence. The Law of Correspondence states that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. This means that the way we think and feel on the inside is reflected in our external circumstances. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can change our reality. Law of Attraction. The Law of Attraction states that we attract into our lives what we focus on. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, we can attract positive experiences and people into our lives. On the other hand, negative thoughts and emotions can attract negativity. Law of Inspired Action. The Law of Inspired Action states that we must take action to manifest our desires. Simply thinking about something is not enough. We must take inspired action to bring it into our reality. Law of Cause and Effect. The Law of Cause and Effect states that every action has a reaction. This means that the choices we make today will have an impact on our future. By being mindful of our actions, we can create a positive future for ourselves. Law of Compensation. The Law of Compensation states that we will be compensated for our efforts and contributions. This means that the more we give, the more we will receive. By helping others and contributing to society, we can attract abundance into our lives. Law of Perpetual Transformation. The Law of Perpetual Transformation states that everything is constantly changing and evolving. This means that we can always grow and improve, and that nothing is ever truly stagnant. Law of Relativity. The Law of Relativity states that everything in our lives is relative to something else. This means that our experiences are shaped by our perception of them. By shifting our perception, we can change our experiences. Law of Polarity. The Law of Polarity states that everything has an opposite. This means that every situation has both positive and negative aspects. By focusing on the positive aspects, we can attract more positivity into our lives. Law of Rhythm. The Law of Rhythm states that everything in the universe has a rhythm and a cycle. This means that there are ups and downs in life, and that everything moves in cycles. By understanding this law, we can navigate the ups and downs with more ease. Law of Gender. The Law of Gender states that everything in the universe has both masculine and feminine energy. This means that we all have both masculine and feminine qualities within us. By balancing these energies, we can create a more harmonious life. So, those are the 12 universal laws. By understanding and applying these laws to our lives, we can create a more fulfilling and successful life. Remember, the universe is constantly working for us, not against us. Thank you for watching this video on the 12 universal laws. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Ambient Dream Girl channel for more informative content like this. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Which of these laws resonates with you the most? Have you applied any of these laws to your life? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.